Now, YouTube just got a lot harder recently, right? And this has becoming a pandemic right now on the internet, right? Now, I woke up one morning and I saw something very striking on my YouTube channel, which was a violation strike, as you can see. Right now, right here, I have a channel violation on my YouTube, right? This was recently and it was so shocking to me because I have not gotten it before. Now, when we wake up every morning, the first thing we do is that we run to our YouTube channel to check how our video is going, how is everything going. You understand? We don't even pray, we don't even brush. The first thing we just take up our phone and we go to our YouTube studio to see if our recent video has gone viral, if there is any changes, any comments. You understand what I mean? If you are doing this right now, just let me know in the comment section because other people want to also hear from this and they want to also learn, right? So when I woke up one morning, I saw a Jimmy. When I got the Jimmy, I was very shocked. Then I have to go and check this content, and this was a content I made recently that was going viral, right? It was how to get cheap data, and it was currently going viral. Then I check what made it what gave me violations. As you can see right now, I just said YouTube on my Gmail, and these are some of my violations. So when I checked it, this is the video. I looked like how to get cheap data in 2025. Didn't follow our YouTube community guideline to help our community save from YouTube. Now we found what we found. We think the content didn't follow our harmful and dangerous policy. Content that describe how to get unauthorized or free access to audio, auto-visual content, software subscription service, or games that usually require payment isn't allowed YouTube. So I went to the video, I checked the video, I discovered that the video was true because I was sharing how to get cheap data on that content. There was no disclaimer. I was just putting the code out there and I was subscribing the code on that video. Like I was subscribing that data code actually on that video. So that triggered YouTube and the video YouTube had to go into that video and check it and they saw something that doesn't comply to their community guideline and they took it down. I take blame for that because I knew I was not really specific and I was not giving my subscribers the directive they need because YouTube they are trying to keep their community safe, right? So I tried to review the content and they rejected it immediately and I have to take the 90 days challenge and have to be there. So recently again, that was few days or few days after that, I got another strike again on one of my old videos about how to make money online. That the video didn't comply to the community guideline. And this, let me just go ahead and check it. And this is the video right here. This is one of the video. So they said the video also followed the harmful and dangerous policy. As you can see, what we found content contain extravagant promises such as claim that viewers can get rich fast and guarantee returns and all that stuff. I was like, what is going on YouTube? No one kill me. Right now, I got almost about three strikes that period, and and instead of three strikes, I have two warnings, and one was an actual strike on my YouTube channel, which in part it right as you can see right now. As you can see, they said your content was removed due to violation of policy, and the strikes expires after 90 days, and if this happen again, your channel will have a second strike and you won't be able to upload a live stream for 2 weeks, right? When this happened for 1 week plus 1 week, I was unable to upload and upload live stream or do any other stuff. Now, if this happens the second time, they're going to restrict you for 2 weeks, right? And if it happened the third time in the period of 90 days, YouTube is going to delete your channel. That means all your effort is going down the drain. That is why you have to be very careful right now because YouTube is extremely very vigilant because they are putting up a lot of tools to make their community be a safe place, right? A lot of AI tools are coming into place and they are putting into place to look out for content that are going against their community guideline, right? Now this is where you come in. Now you have to be very careful when it comes to uploading your content. You have to have a second thought. You have to recheck your content. You have to know if this content will go against YouTube policy, and that's why you have to read through the YouTube community guidelines. Strike. This is our fault because we didn't went through the community guideline properly, right? So this is you right now because I know most of you right now watching this video creators out there are going through similar challenges, right? We are all here together, and if you are new right there in YouTube and you want to go into content, right, publishing videos, making money, no matter the niche you are, you have to take this into consideration before going out there right now, right? So this is the strike I have, and what I'm going to do right now, we are going to go through the YouTube policy together, just glance through it, and at least give my own thoughtful opinion about this and how you can use this to manage your 2026, right? And this is one of the videos that gave me strike. As you can see, harmful and dangerous content. Click on this right now, and we are going to see that. And these are some of the YouTube community violation. So let's scroll down. Let's just have a glance through about this. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to say YouTube does not allow content that encourage dangerous or illegal activities that risk serious physical harm or death, right? In some cases, we may make exception for content with educational documentaries, scientific or artistic context, including content that is in the public interest, right? If you find content that violates this policy, report it, right? As you can see right now. And this policy applies to videos, video description, comment, live stream, and other YouTube products or features. These policies also apply to external links in your content. This can include clickable links verbally, directing users to other site videos as well as other forms. Right now, YouTube take care and track every of your activities, from your description, from your tags, your links, right? Where the links take them to, right? YouTube track this, and this is what contributes to your content as a whole. I'm going to link this right here on the description, right, so that you can go through it, right? You can just go through every of this right now so that you can have a full knowledge about YouTube policy, what they don't allow, and how you can go about it. As consider that say violent or grocery content intended to shock or disgust viewers, or content encouraging others to commit violent acts are not allowed on YouTube. In some cases, we may make exceptions for content with educational, documentary, scientific, and artistic context, including content that is in the public interest. If you believe anyone is in intimate danger, you should get in touch with your local law enforcement and all of that, right? Now, if you scroll down also, you can see what this policy means for you. Violent or graphic content, right? Inciting others to commit violent acts, fights involving minors, that's minor made children, right? Footage, audio, imagery, footage of imagery showing bodily fluids and all that stuff, right? Animal abuse content. These are just oh. If you come to the next one right now, these are five right here, right? Five. This will take you less than 20 minutes to read all through. 20 minutes, 30 minutes to read all through, right? I advise you to please read everything right here, right? Because it will help you to avoid or no, right? Imagine you growing your channel to 100k subscribers, and because of not reading this, you lost your channel due to this. That means all your hard work, maybe you have been building your channel for like 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, all of them are going to the drain. Just imagine that kind of art. So please, I will plead you right now to read through all these policies. They are going to help you. You need it. I'm not forcing you. You need this is for your own good, right? Go through them. I'll be linking it in the description. It's going to be the first link. I'll be also leave it in the comments so that you can go through them for your own good. YouTube is becoming so strict right now, so you have to be very careful and you have to use your head on this right now. So this is what my experience was, and this is what I got on my channel. And this is lesson learned, because it is not going to happen again. I'll be very careful these days. I'll be very careful now putting my content out there, and you too also be careful, right? So if you have any question regarding this or any issue regarding this, or you want to ask me any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will reply to you right now. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you got value, like this video, and share this video to other content creators out there who need this information right now. If you want to get started on YouTube, you want to grow on YouTube, you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to watch this video. This video will help you get started on YouTube, right? So I'll be leaving that video around this corner right now. Just click on the video and get started on YouTube. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.